Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure call history access on Windows 11. So here, if you want to overview, you want to configure for call history permissions on Windows 11. You can do it by access settings. Click start icon, go to the settings, and click on privacy and security. Here under app permissions, you can try to search call history. Click it. So here's on the call history access, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have access to their call history when this is on. So if you want to manage this, configure this, or if you turn off, just simply click on this button, so no more call history recorded on the system. If you turn this on, just choose the app. You can let the app access your call history. For example, the People app can record your history, and you can see the history on this app. So feel free to try to configure call history on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next